Hey you! So I've decided to update my mood board because it's been like a year. I always try to do this every season, but it's been like a year since I've literally changed my mood board, and I normally put it on my laptop, I put it on my iPad, and on my phone. I know, I'm intense, but sometimes I change, like on my phone. Right now it's literally nothing, like it's nothing. And I was like, I might as well just film it because I love to see people's mood boards, so I'm guessing some of y'all would like it too. I made a list of the things that I wanted to see in my mood board, and I'm gonna tell you right away. I think it's better if I get closer. To me, first of all, I'm gonna preface this. To me, a mood board is constant manifestation, and I am always in a constant battle with keep your dreams a secret until they're like successes, and manifest the hell out of what you want. You know, it's always a constant battle. You don't want to jinx it, but you gotta manifest it. But to me, a mood board is just a way to manifest, but like low-key manifest, you know? So I truly put pictures of things that I would want to achieve or things that I see in my future to motivate me and also to manifest the life that I want. I'm gonna give you a couple of examples. So travel, I always put travel. I always put travel because I always manifest traveling in the near future. I love traveling. It brings me the most amount of joy. I love learning and I love just discovering other places. So traveling is always in my top one. I always put a picture of curly, coily hair because I always want to give love to my hair. I always want my hair to flourish. I have not been giving my hair some love. So in the near future and in the future, I would love to give it a little bit more love. I always put something that was very important for me in my childhood, such as singing, such as dancing. Most of the time I put like a ballerina, something that brings me back to my childhood because I always want to remember to fade into my inner child. I really like a good mood board, so you gotta think it through, you know? Okay, so I have my handy dandy iPad right here. I'm gonna start recording my screen. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. So first off, I go on Pinterest and I search whatever I want. So Pinterest is in my, where is it? Where's my Pinterest? Do I have Pinterest? Of course I am. I have my Pinterest over here. Pinterest, open it. Love that for me. This is my Pinterest. Pinterest is just amazing. It's so beautiful. Like every single time you refresh it, it's just magnificent. I'm in love. So first off, what I just said was travel. So I'm gonna go, and if I know where I want to go, I'll put exactly the place I want to go. But right now, all I want to do is European summers, European anything. I just want to go to Europe because there are so many countries I want to go to. I want to go to Asia. I want to go so many places. But I'm going to start with European big summer. I'm going to put European summer. Normally I pick those types of pictures because they are just so aesthetically pleasing. So I normally pick those types of pictures. As you can see, there are different types of pictures. I normally don't pick girls who don't look like me, meaning I pick black girls if I ever pick a girl in my mood board, because I want it to be the most representative it could be. So to put a girl who is not black, I don't know. I feel like I could be like, oh, but you see, like it never happens for girls like me. Mind you, I don't think like that, but it's giving that feeling for me. Maybe I'm getting way too far, but I hope you know what I mean. This one is very, very cute. I think it's Greece, if I'm not mistaken. I want to go to Greece. and I want to island hop, so that would be a great place. This picture is pretty. I love these flowers. I don't know what the name of these flowers are, but I love them so much. It's so cute. Okay. This is pretty too, but it has like the white bands. I'm not for it. This is pretty. This is pretty. It's Italy. I like it a lot. I don't know, I'm searching for some. This is pretty too. Positano. Surprise, I'm going. So that would be very, very fun to see and to motivate me, you know, to get me excited and whatnot. So I'm gonna keep it just in case. And I think I'm gonna keep another one from Greece just because I kinda think I wanna go for Greece. I'm gonna keep another one. Let's see. Oh, this one is cute. Hello? This one is cute. Ooh, the cave one. What's this restaurant though? I'm wondering. Blue water. Yeah, blue water, definitely. Perfect. So now I have my pictures for travel. Now I'm gonna go for hair. As I said, it's definitely manifesting. So you want to pick the pictures that resonate the most with you and with your vision and who you are, because you're gonna see those pictures every single day when you open your iPad, when you open your laptop. So you want to get creative and, you know, keep them beautiful. And look at those queens. I love it. I also try to find hair that looks like mine. So I have 4C hair, which is actually, okay, I have 4C and kind of 4B in the back, but I would say 4B. So I try to find hair that looks like mine, that's coily. This one is beautiful, but it's not my type of hair. Like my hair would never look like this. Let's be true and honest. This one is it looks a little bit like my hair, but the coils are definitely defined, which mine are not that much. Ooh, I like this one. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I'm gonna keep it. And what I do is normally I don't really put their whole face on my mood board because it's literally a stranger, but I like to like keep the smile or like keep the hair. You can see, like, crop it in a certain way, you'll see. So this one was the previous one on my mood board. I love it so much because it's my hair and it's very long and beautiful and healthy. So, you know, I was manifesting healthy hair. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Oh my god. Not me fangirling. Okay. I love it. Oh my god, that pony. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna try to do something with it. Definitely. Okay, so my battery died, but I'm back. So, as I was saying, I was at hair. I've downloaded a couple of pictures, and now I'm going to search for dance or like inner childhood things. So, oops. Let's screen record it again. So I'm done with hair. I'm gonna go with ballet. Yeah, I think I love ballet. Oh my god, it brings me back. I love it so much. Sometimes I'm like, why did I ever stop? But it's okay. I digress. Got him. Oh, I like this one. I really, really like this one. It brings me joy. I think I'm just gonna cut the borders because they're white borders. Maybe if I search down, I'll have other ones. Oh, so pretty. So let's try girls. I'm still not used to this freaking pencil again. Girls night out. Because I love the feeling of just getting ready to see your girls and like drinks and, you know, the vibes, all the vibes, all the good vibes. Ooh, I like this one. Ooh, I like this one. I'm gonna keep this one. Ooh, I like this one, like a sunset. Oh yes, absolutely. I like just good. Oh, I like this one too. This one, the good focaccia. Next, I wanna include YouTube in my mood board. So I will type maybe YouTube channel success, because you gotta give yourself a little bit of motivation. Yes, but it's really cute. This one, love that. So I finished searching for all my pictures. I'm going to go on Canvas because Canvas is my shit. And I'm gonna create a new canvas. So I am going to choose just a normal little thing. I'm gonna try to find one that fits my iPad maybe, because I like when it's my iPad. Alrighty. So I'm going to pick all the pictures that I took. I took quotes, I took outfits, I took graduation, partnership, I took hair, dance, I took traveling. So all the good things. I'm kind of in a mood of like just putting them really symmetrically and not like a mix of everything, or maybe not. Maybe I'm feeling, I'm gonna try this one. I have a lot. Okay, so what if I put this? Woo! Oh, didn't see that coming. Okay, so what if I put this here? I like to put quotes because there are never enough quotes to remind you of the bad you are. So this is because I will never settle for less than a great romance, because I'm a hopeless romantic, so I have to put it at least here. Yeah. And then ballet, maybe over here. No, maybe over here. Yes, definitely. Little wine situation, probably over here. No, over here maybe. Yeah. This is like food to me, so maybe I'll put it close to the food. So like the food could go here, or like maybe I'll do this and then the food here, and then the one picnic, because this doesn't need to be all in. I'm talking a lot, but I think I'm gonna keep it a little mixed up. I feel like it's cute. The hair, because I want the, okay, what if I put this as like a background here, and then the hair right here, this is pretty, and then the coat here, I don't want to see white. This is cute. Then I have graduation, lab coat, vacation again, and then like fashion, safe haven. So I'm gonna put them all. I hope you're following. So this right here, I might just cut off like her face. I want her smile, but I don't want her whole face. I love this aesthetic, So I'm gonna put it on, hide everything. So I'm already hiding a lot. Okay, I'm gonna revisit this one. This one I don't think I'm gonna put because I've already have this one and I love the color of these. So the color of this, the whole thing, I love it. So I might keep this. This I might take it. I don't know. It represents like pharmacy and my goals. Sorry about the lighting because it's switching because I'm using daylight, but I think I'm gonna keep the lab coat because it really resonates with what I want to do ultimately. And yeah, and graduation, of course, because it's literally my life right now. So I'm going to keep this. This is just because I really would love to have my own little place in the future, not the near future, but in the future. And I would want to make it feel like it's a safe haven, and this picture made me feel like it's so cozy and safe. So that's why I want to put it in here. Definitely hiding the hair though. I actually like it. Ooh, this, like right here, maybe like right here, like this. Ooh, I like this one. Ooh, I really like this one. Okay, so you can actually see kind of everything. I cropped it here to see the wine. I put the little romantic things. I put fashion forward always. And then the little aesthetic of like the puffy sleeves and like the hair. It's me. I could have taken this picture literally. And then YouTube, because it's like my biggest goal, one of my biggest goals ever right now. And yeah, and I love that I have two little quotes. So this is basically how I do my mood board, and it's really cute. It's really aesthetically pleasing. Of course, I'm gonna put it on my iPad and on my laptop. I took the dimension of my laptop, so I'm gonna try and see how it goes with my iPad right now. Here's the version for my iPad. Is it shaking? Ta-da! Isn't it cute? I love it. I actually love it. So I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna check if it fits, and if it does, we're good. And this is how it looks. Ah, the most prettiest mood board. I'm so excited. It gives me life. I love it. I genuinely meticulously pick pictures that remind me of what I want to do and where I want to go. So even though you're not thinking about your goals every single day, you have them in your face and you know exactly what you want based on all these pictures. So it's big manifesting, and I really believe that a mood board can do a lot to your mood, to your motivation, and to everything. Tell me if you have a mood board or if this video motivated you to do one, because it's so nice and I love mine, and you should have a mood board too. And yeah, on that note, I will leave you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.